Hello friends, how are you? I hope everybody is fine, enjoying their holidays. Yeah, this video is about different types of questions in your CBSE board point of view based on homologous series. If you are thorough with this particular questions, you can face any type of question easily in CBSE board exams. Now let's see the question. Write the molecular formula of first two members of homologous series having functional group Cl. So when they given this group Cl, it means it is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide or haloalkanes. We call them as haloalkanes also. Two different names. For these types of compounds, the general formula for like this groups is CnH2n plus 1x. While writing, be careful, x should be in the line of H, not at the bottom. This, what is meant by x here? X are said to be halogens. X are said to be halogens, which means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Why these are said to be halogens? Because the meaning of the word halogens is salt forming compounds. Salt forming compounds are said to be halogens. Because these fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, we can see most of these elements mostly in seawater in form of salts like NaCl, KBr, like this. So these non-metals chlorine, fluorine, iodine absorbed in seawater along with the metals. So the word is given as halogens, which means salt forming elements. Okay. So now coming to this, he is asking first two members. So here n starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So first member is keep n equals to 1. C1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, C3. He said clearly the group should be Cl. So in place of X, keep Cl. It's very simple. What is the name of this? 1 carbon meth. Okay, 1 minute. As halogen is there, halo word should be the prefix. Before the meth only halo word will be there. Okay, now let's see. It's a chlorine, so chloro. IUPAC says that first chloro. Next, 1 carbon meth. It is alkane group, so it is alkane. Chloromethane is a name. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. First, we cannot write methane, first chloro, because halogens are written as prefix, not suffix. Okay. This is the first member. Next, second member is keep n equals to 2. C2, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, H5. X stands for Cl. In question, he given a very clearly Cl. So the name is chloro. Next to 2 carbons, eth. It is an alkane. So these are the names and formulas. So in a question, write the molecular formula of first two members of homologous series. Means first two members are like this. Along with that, he want halogen, chlorine, so I kept a chlorine only. This is a suitable answer to this particular question. This is one model. Next, see this. Write the molecular formula of first two members of homologous series having functional group Br. Br stands for bromine. It is similar to previous question. Exactly similar to this question. Just replace chlorine with bromine. That's it. And the question first two members only. First member and second member. In place of chlorine, place bromine. So it is very simple. As it is, same answer. Same answer you can take. So first member is CH3 Br, because in place of chlorine bromine. Second member is C2H5Br. Its name is bromine is there, so bromo. One carbon meth. It is single bond in methane. Here also bromo. Two carbons. Eth, single bond ethane. Okay, because this question and this question is almost the same, just slight variation in the function group only. That is why I am not giving importance to that particular question. Next, let's see the next question. Write the molecular formula of first two members of homologous series having functional group OH. When given that OH means, clearly it is a OH we use for alcohols. Alcohol. So let's go for alcohol. Alcohol is one type of functional group. Alcohol, which means its general formula is CnH2n plus 2O. Remember, O should be in the line of H. Or I can write like this: CnH2n plus 1 OH. Okay, where n starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And he wants first two members only. No, keep n equals to 1. That is the first member. The first member is n equals to 1. Keep 1, C1. Mostly use this formula. That's better. Because while writing the alcohols, mostly we need this type of formula. So OH should be there. That is why follow this C1. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. CH3. OH. OH is common in all alcohols. That is why. Second member is, keep n equals to 2. C2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. H5. OH. So here the name is very simple. While using alcohols, we need to use the word ol as a suffix. Ol should be there. One carbon meth. No doubt it is single bond only. So it is AN. We have to use the word ol, methanol. Two carbons means eth. It is single bond only. So it is AN, ol, ethanol. So this is the first member and the second member of function groups of OH. That is the answer of fourth question. I hope you understood. Let's go for next question. Question number 5. Write the molecular formula of first, second and third member of homologous series whose first member is methane. When they use the word methane, that means it is alkane. So alkanes has general formula of CnH2n plus 2, where n starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So if you want a first member, keep n equals to 1. If you keep n equals to 1, this becomes C1. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 2, 4, CH4. If you want a second member, keep n equals to 2. Keep n equals to 2. So C2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6, H6. If you want third member, because he want up to third member, so keep n equals to 3. C3, H, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8, H8. One carbon meth, it is alkane, so it is methane. It is two carbons eth, and there is alkane, so it is ANE word we use. 3 carbons prop, so ANE, alkane it is. As it is alkane, I use the word alkane every time. If you observe this last letter, same. If it is 1 carbon meth, 2 carbons eth, 3 carbons prop, these are said to be root words. And is alkane, so I will use always ANE only. It's very simple. The suitable answer is second and third member. Just underline the suitable answer. He wants the molecular formulas. So underline the suitable answer. That is enough. I hope you understood this answer. Next, go to next question. Sixth question. Write the molecular formula of second and a third member of homologous series whose first member is ethane. No doubt it is alkane only. Okay. Its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay. He said that first member is ethane. Okay. He given a question like that. Actually, it is a second member, but he said it is a first member only. Let's follow him on. Eth means 2 carbons. That means n equals to 2. Keep n equals to 2. C2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6 H6. It is the first member. He wants molecular formulas. So it is the first member. If you want a second member, very simple. Just add CH3 to this. Sorry, CH2. Just add CH2 so that you will get next number. So n equals to 3. C3 H8. This is second member. Next, third member. If you want a third member, just add CH2. Keep n equals to 4. Why 4? Because next to get next number, extra carbon should be there. So C4 H10. So he want molecular formulas of second and third only. Second and third only. Second is underline the suitable answer. Second and third members. Very clearly. If you want the names also very simple. 3 carbons, so prop word. It is alkane, so it is an propane. Next, 4 carbons, bute. It is single bond, so it is an butane. Okay, I hope you understood this.